Shawty, I'ma only tell you this once, you the illest. Bye for that door. And for your loving, I'ma die hard like Bruce Willis. Bye for that door. You got spark, you got spunk, you got something all the girls want. You like a candy store, and I'm a toddler.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? It's your girl T, and today I'm going to be showing you guys something super easy, super simple, a cute little red eyeshadow look. This is definitely still a little Valentine's Day inspired. I'm going to be using one palette and one palette only, my Yes Please palette by ColourPop Cosmetics. If you guys are interested in seeing a full review on that palette, then you can click the link up there that I'm pointing to and I will lead you right to the video. But before we get started, make sure you like this video and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button because baby, we just be uploading whenever the fuck we feel around here. We ain't got no schedule. And well, without further ado, let's just hop right into this video. To start off this video, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer as my eye primer. I've been doing this a lot lately. I really just like the thick consistency of this concealer. I really feel like it helps leave my eyeshadow stay on all day. Like I said in my intro, I'm going to be using my Yes Please palette and I'm going to be going into the shade Butter Cake. I'm going to put this right in my crease using a fluffy brush and I'm going to just make sure that it's really saturated, really get that red in there, and I'm just going to keep blending it out. I'm just going to take a blending brush real quick and go around all the edges, make sure it's all blended really nicely. I really feel like I have OCD with my blending, I just need it to be perfect. I'm taking a more detailed brush and going back in with Butter Cake and putting that right in the crease, focusing it just in the crease, not really flaring it out or buffing it out. And of course I'm just going to do the same on the other side with the fluffy brush and then go in with the detail brush again. Now I'm taking a flat synthetic brush and I'm going to put the shade Champs all over the eyelid. I really thought this was going to be a more pigmented shadow. It really wasn't as what I thought it was going to be, but I ended up making it work in the end. Now I'm just taking foundation on a concealer brush and I'm just going to give myself that, you know, the straight eyeshadow look. And I'm just blending the foundation with, of course, my foundation that's already on my face. I'm taking this shimmery shade up there. I really don't know how to describe it, but it's called Full Zip, and I'm gonna put that right over where I put the shade Champs, just to like brighten up the eye a little bit and give it some depth because Champs was not doing it for me, and I think that really actually pulled it together more than Champs was ever going to, so it ended up working out in the end. And this is pretty much it for the shadow. I'm gonna put on my mascara and eyelashes, obviously on both eyes. This is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I told you guys it was super easy, super simple, anyone can do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.